There's another huge story, and it's breaking today, and this is a big story. A massive leak of documents has exposed many current and former world leaders as having hidden offshore accounts. Those names include Vladimir Putin, Bashar al-Assad, Xi Jinping, and Muammar al-Gaddafi. Danielle McLaughlin is with us. Now, she's an attorney. There's nothing illegal about having an offshore account. I mean, if you're an American, there's nothing illegal about having one.
There's absolutely
nothing. But you've got to
illegal.
declare it.
You absolutely do. You're absolutely right, Stuart. And at this point, we're not even sure the extent to which there are Americans involved in this scandal.
I don't see an American name, actually.
No. And I haven't seen one either. But what's really important to know is that the extraterritorial reach of US law is very, very broad. So as it relates to anti-bribery or anti-corruption, very, very broad. You don't have to be here, you just have to have a connection to the US. And there are three main ways where the federal government can come after folks who have been...
Well, I think that the federal government is going to go after these tax shelters. This is the biggest attack on the tax shelter industry. It's a $1 trillion industry.
It is a $1 trillion industry.
This leaking of 11 million documents, this is the biggest thing against the tax havens that I've seen in many, many years.
I don't disagree with you. We saw in 2009 the IRS really started to crack down, and there was a period whereby you could come forward and sort of explain to the IRS and sort of come clean to the IRS. But there are also anti-bribery laws, and there are anti-money laundering laws. We saw in 2012 HSBC paid a $1.35 billion penalty to the Department of Justice for being involved in this and for not doing its due diligence and having a robust compliance program.
American authorities, say, shut down the Cayman Islands or some South Pacific atoll where they've got a tax haven? Could they do it?
No, I don't think they can. No, these are sovereign states, and so they have their own laws. And as you say, many of these are legal not only under US law, but under the laws of those sovereign nations.
So that money, that hot money, maybe that drug dealing money, the corruption money, at the moment it's safe. It's just a political embarrassment for the leader back home.
Certainly, and we may see broader overtures in terms of soft power or diplomacy. There are other ways that the Americans can conduct or correct behaviours other than by enforcing laws, as you well know.
The Americans?
Well, the Department of Justice.
Still got a green card or something?
I do have a green card, and my paperwork is also underway for citizenship. I know you're a recent citizen, so I'm joining the team.
That's right. And
I'm really pleased to be.
You're a New Zealander, aren't you?
I am a Kiwi, yes.
Welcome
born and bred.
to America.
Thanks so much.
Citizenship.
I will.
It's a fine country. Ain't that right?
That's right. I welcome you both.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Danielle, thank you very much.
Thanks so much, Stuart.
Right.